Well, hello everyone. We had a little bit of snow today, but we're doing a quick video because one of the things people ask us all the time about cabinets is, will the paint on my cabinet chip? So the short answer is yes, your paint can chip. So you just saw me, I went in my truck, so I keep the samples in there that we take. One's an oak sample, and this one is just one we've painted. It's an older oak door. It has multiple layers of paint on there. So a ton of paint, but we want to show people what the finish looks like, how it feels, all that fun stuff. So this, it sits in the back seat of my truck, and if I stop and hit the brakes, it falls off. If I'm lazy and I throw my bag in the back, I throw it right on top of the cabinets. So this one is about 1.5 years old. So you can kind of see, yes, on the edges, there are chipping areas. Again, I don't take care of it at all, but the other part of it is, at the end of the day, it is paint. So it's a cabinet paint, so it's really good paint, but it is paint. So the one thing, the paint dries really hard, but the thing that's not hard is wood. So if you have kids with toys are brutal. The worst people are actually house cleaners. House cleaners on the edge of the cabinet door, especially on the lower part, they take their vacuum cleaners and bam, 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 bam. And when they hit the edge of it, that's where it chips. So under normal wear and tear conditions, no, the paint does not chip off. However, if it's hit with an abrupt, if it's an abrupt thing, right there. So we'll see if it works. So I hit it right there. You can kind of, oh, there's the mark. So, I mean, you heard how hard I hit it to get a chip off that thing. Otherwise, this stuff is hard as a rock. It's actually a true hybrid lacquer, which most cabinet paints that people are using are not actually lacquers. They're oil modified paints. There's a difference. You can go on Google and find out, but there's a big difference in oil modified or water modified and hybrid lacquers. You want a lacquer. That's what's going to hold up the best. So there's our little paint chip. There's my little quick video for you. If you got any questions about painting your cabinets, we'd love to help you. We hope you have a great day. And if you want to see some more samples aside from green, love to help you out with that too. You guys have a great day. God bless.